the AI that already lives with us. Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's episode. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that has appeared almost everywhere in recent years, in the news, at workplaces, in schools, on our phones, and even in everyday conversations. That topic is artificial intelligence, or AI for short. But what exactly does AI mean? Simply put, artificial intelligence refers to computer systems that are able to perform tasks that previously required human thinking. These tasks can include learning, decision-making, understanding text, recognizing images, processing speech, or even creating content. When we talk about AI today, many people immediately think of chatbots, image generators, or automatic translators. But in reality, artificial intelligence has been part of our lives for much longer. Just think about recommendation systems that suggest movies, music, or products to us, or navigation apps that plan the fastest route. These tools often use AI-based solutions in the background. One of the most important abilities of AI is that it can recognize patterns in huge amounts of data. It does not think like a human, and it does not understand the world in the same way we do. Instead, it looks for statistical connections and uses them to provide useful answers or make decisions. That is why an AI system can recognize faces in images, summarize texts, write emails, generate computer code, analyze medical images, or even answer customer service questions. The benefits of artificial intelligence include speed, scalability, and the ability to automate many repetitive tasks. This can save people a lot of time. For example, a company can process customer requests faster, a teacher can prepare learning materials more easily, and a student can receive explanations for difficult topics. At the same time, it is important to talk about the risks as well. AI is not perfect. It can sometimes give inaccurate information, misunderstand a question, or generate an answer that seems convincing at first but is actually wrong. That is why it is very important not to use AI blindly, but to treat it as a thinking partner. There are also privacy, ethical, and social questions. Who has access to our data? How can we avoid biased decisions? What jobs will automation change? These questions do not always have simple answers, but we need to talk about them. Perhaps the most important idea is that AI is not good or bad by itself. It is a tool. What matters is how we use it. If we use it responsibly, consciously, and in a human-centered way, it can help us learn faster, work more efficiently, become more creative, and find new solutions to old problems. In the future, the question will probably not be whether we use artificial intelligence, but how well we understand how it works, and how well we can integrate it into our everyday lives. To sum up, AI is a technology that can analyze data, recognize patterns, generate answers, and automate tasks. It offers huge opportunities, but it also requires responsible use. That is why we should not be afraid of it, but instead try to understand it, because the better we understand AI, the better we can control it and use it to support our own goals. Thank you for joining me in today's episode. In the next part, we can also explore how AI can be used in learning, work, or even creative projects.